Welcome to Murcia in Spain. At the heart of the city stands the Cathedral of Murcia, a masterpiece blending Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. Its tower, rising more than 90 meters, has watched over the city since the 15th century. Murcia is a city shaped by the river Segura and by centuries of history at the crossroads of cultures. Just beyond Murcia, high on a hill, stands the fortress of Monteagudo, first built by the Moors in the 11th century. It once protected the valley and signaled the city's strength. Today, the ruins are crowned by a statue of Christ, watching over Murcia and the orchards below, a symbol of faith above a fortress of stone. From above, the old city reveals layers of history, Islamic foundations, Christian reconstructions, and lively streets that carry echoes of the past. Founded in the 9th century by the Moors, Murcia grew into a thriving center of agriculture and trade, its identity tied to water, orchards, and fertile lands. A city where past and present meet, Murcia endures as a living chapter of Spain's history. Thanks for joining me on this journey over Murcia. If you enjoyed the view, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more travels across the world.